Welcome at the KUHNE Group. We are showing you a 3-layer green line C3 2000mm for all common 3-layer films, from a 7-micron HDPE film to stretch hood film, as well as self-adhesive protection film and a lot more. Here the line is producing a surface protection film for aluminum panels, which is comprising a 45% VA outer layer. Of course, there are a lot of combinations in the layer distribution possible, from 1 to 1 to 1 up to 1 to 8 to 1. The high-capacity cool ring Smart Lip Maximizer is capable to obtain cooling rates up to a factor of 3 times the die diameter. That corresponds to an output capacity of 750 kilograms per hour based on a die diameter of 250 millimeters. Granule feeding to the individual extruders is fully automatic. Each material component will be dosed gravimetrically. The compact arrangement of the feeding unit does not just save space, it also allows simple and flexible maintenance of all components. The electronically controlled gravimetric dosing, in combination with the smart change system, allows for an automated production of the line with information from the recipe storage, with automatic resin supply and with minimization of the required resin quantity. The control by means of wide-range drives is crucial for the precision of the process. The melt-up system consists of 2 extruders 70mm and 1 extruder 90mm, which are arranged in a space-saving design. Low-temperature screws are used for extremely high throughput capacities at low melt temperatures. Furthermore, these extruders create almost no vibrations and noise, and it is possible to reduce the energy use by 5 to 10% in comparison to conventional motors. In blown film lines, the use of more compact extruders makes better use of the existing space, which is especially important with an increasing number of layers. The granules are fed into the extruder. Pneumatic filters, hydraulic filters or manual filters, as well as candle-type filters are available depending on the applications and requirements. KUHNE manufactures centrally or side-fed dies, which have low residence times, improved flow behavior and quick purging times. This line is including a centrally fed die head with CAD spiral distribution. The surface areas of all parts which are in contact with the melt are specially coated so the melt is guided in an optimal way to the die exit. The cooling ring is a KUHNE Smart Lip LN for long neck production, which is suitable for materials like HDPE and LDPE, or a Smart Lip Maximizer for extremely high throughput capacities with improved mechanical properties. Alternatively, the line can be equipped with a Smart Lip Dual as a variable B-level cooling ring. The cooling ring controls the material thickness via the air volume. As a standard, KUHNE nowadays reaches tolerances of 2 to 3% with many products. The line has a dual operating principle. One operator panel is located close to the die head and allows for the flexible adjustment of the individual extrusion parameters. The main KEC master control is supervising the entire process and records all important machine data for the quality management system. Even the film width, side gussets or different positionings are fully automatically detected and set. The scissors-type calibrating device has a motorized diameter and height adjustment. The bubble diameter is detected by non-contact ultrasonic sensors. The lower basket is equipped with a monomer suction unit, which aspirates excess paraffin from the film bubble. Additional sensors above the calibrating device are activating a cascade control to optimize the width tolerances, smart change basket. Furthermore, the bubble diameter is measured a second time at this position by means of sensors. That guarantees a precise process at all times. The thickness measuring is working 100% non-contact. The signal is given to the high-capacity cooling ring in order to control the thickness profile. An additional calibrating basket gives the final fine-tuning of the bubble diameter before the lay flat device. The reversing film takeoff is equipped with micropore turner bars and a combi lay flat device which has felt-covered CFK rolls and wooden slats. The electrical adjustment of the lay flat device allows for an exact positioning of the lay flat process. It is possible to change from CFK rolls to wooden slats and vice versa during production at any time. Also, the side gusseting device is adjustable by electric motor and can easily be adapted to the required conditions. A local control panel allows the operator not just to set the local parameters, but also other key data of the machine, so they can be adjusted efficiently from the lay flat area. The rolls are coated and individually temperature controlled, so the process can be adapted to the characteristics of each material. The microporous turning bars create a precise air cushion and avoid the adhesion of sticky film, whereby only a small amount of air is needed. The auxiliary takeoff, which is also suitable for extremely thin films or high line speeds, guides the film to the lower machinery level to the width measuring device for film with or without side gussets. Then to cork-coated rolls in the edge guiding device, and finally to side trim knives, which are available in various layouts. The secondary nip station is a bridge-type secondary nip and guides the film to the center surface gap winders. The line which we are showing is laid out with one fully equipped winding station and one winding station in standard layout. The fully equipped version also includes an additional oscillation device for the film cutting knives in machine and in cross direction, which minimizes wear and tear as well as edge build-up. Here you can see an additional takeoff for surface protection film for perfect film guiding during side cutting. At this point the film can be cut. Optionally, it is possible to cut edge trim, however not necessary, since the cascade control allows for the production of film with only minimal width tolerances. The edge trims are automatically aspirated and disposed of. When the film package has reached the pre-selected length, a cross-cutter in the center surface gap winder will cut the film, and it will be transferred without wrinkles to the new prepared winding tube. The finished reel will be deposited on a pallet by means of an hydraulic lowering device. Optionally, fully automatic or semi-automatic handling systems like cranes, grippers or transport carts are available. Here you see the production of the line with a Smart Lip Maximizer cooling ring, which is capable to cool 750 kilograms per hour of film out of a 250 mm die. These extremely high output capacities are safe and easily to handle with a height adjustable dual or triple lip cooling ring. One of KUHNE's new developments is the Smart Lip Maximizer LN, which allows a long neck production for LDPE or LLDPE based films. It is possible to reach significantly improved mechanical properties like dart drop, tensile strength, elongation or Elmendorf. A big advantage is down gauging, which means that a product with the same mechanical properties can be up to 20% thinner, resulting in either a cost advantage or a quality improvement. 2 air streams are pointed upwards and 1 downwards in order to freeze the film and already pre-cool the material at this point. The function of the third lip can be switched off if it's preferred to use the cooling ring the conventional way.